Hi aspirants, welcome to another video. This is part 17. We are covering one of the most important MCQs in a form of revision for our NPSC civil service candidates so that they can at last minute benefit of these questions. Now, without any delay, let's start our first question. Our first question is the main cause of the reversal of monsoon winds in India is Coriolis force, seasonal migration of ITCZ, jet stream changes, local heating overland. So normally ITCZ is one of the major cause who is causing the reversal of monsoon. We can divide monsoon into two seasons like southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. ITCZ known as intertropical convergence zone. It shifts from equator towards the Cancer and Capricorn in a year. So because of this, the reversal of monsoon causes. So the right answer is B, seasonal migration of ITCZ. Next, western disturbances that influence North India originate from South China Sea, Persian Gulf, Mediterranean origin, Arabian Desert. Remember, western disturbance are a very specific winds who travels from Middle East Asia towards India, Himalaya and China side. Now when they comes, it comes by January in India and also causes northern rainfalls or northern winter rainfalls in the part of upper northern parts of India. And these winds generally comes from Mediterranean Sea, as you can see. Then Mediterranean region is the place which is actually covered mostly by the lands and highly influenced by the temperature of lands, causes major evaporation, high salinity rate, and these winds and clouds approach towards India, Hindu Kush Parvat, Himalaya and Kunlun mountains of China. So the right answer is C, Mediterranean region. Next question is the highest rainfall in India occurs at Agumbe, Mahabaleshwar, Cherrapunji, Mawsynram. So in a general way, most of the waterfall actually happens in center. Highest rainfall happens in east, and highest snowfall happens in north. So if you can divide all over physical in part of India, so in the terms of rainfall, you can go for northeast. So none of them technically is a like northeastern regions except two, C and D. So we can consider Cherrapunji and Mawsynram both. Sometimes it can be confusing term for the candidates because these two places are different. Both are found in a same state, that is Meghalaya. Sometimes Cherrapunji rainfall is high, sometimes Mawsynram rainfall is high. So technically this time Mawsynram could be a right answer. So right, so Mawsynram is a right answer to this. Burst of monsoon is associated with entry of southwest monsoon into Kerala, retreating monsoon, cyclonic circulation in Bay of Bengal, extreme winter rainfall. Burst of monsoon technically sometimes is related to the southwest monsoon into Kerala. All right, it is a onset of monsoon coming in the end of May or beginning of June, that is first week of June. All right, so that is entry of southwest monsoon into Kerala. Next question, El Nino generally results in excess monsoon rainfall over India, weakening of Indian monsoon, more cyclones on Arabian Sea, strong western disturbances. All right. El Nino is something which is happening in Pacific Ocean. We in India, which is a southeast or a South Asian country, do not have access to Pacific, direct access. We directly share our borders with Bay of Bengal from east, Arabian Sea from west, and Indian Ocean from south. So indirectly, El Nino's warm oceanic current of Pacific somehow take entry in Indian Ocean, weakens the high pressure section of Indian Ocean, convert it into more warmer water. So high pressure built here is gradually gets warm. So it breaks down or it slows down or it becomes poor in terms of quality. So actually El Nino hampers the monsoon because Indian Ocean high pressure becomes poor. So overall wind speed moving towards Indian mainland gets slower. So monsoon rainfall over India generally disturb hota hai. All right. Clear? Weakening the Indian monsoon. All right. Next, retreating monsoon occurs during June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. So the right answer should be C, October, November. Okay, this one of the question came in NSSB also, somewhat related, so it's okay. Next, tropical cyclones in India are most frequent during January, February, April, May, and October, November, June, July, December only. Now you need to understand this. Cyclones generally comes during the initial times of monsoon or beginning or before beginning of monsoon and later on monsoon, that is October time. April, May, and October, November is the correct answer for this. All right. Next, the monsoon in India is mainly convectional rainfall, cyclonic rainfall, orographic rainfall, or frontal rainfall. We all know monsoon comes and starts from two sides of India, that is Arabian Sea southwest side and Bay of Bengal southeast side. Now, technically, we consider monsoon coming from southwest India, that is the Kerala and pre-monsoon. So generally, these winds are not convectional; they are actually advectional rain, like winds who moves from high pressure towards low pressure. So they do not go like this; they go like horizontal side. So technically, they do not convect. All right. So convectional rainfall nahi ho sakta. Cyclonic rainfall is not the answer. Frontal rainfall is not the answer. Orographic rainfall is the right answer. Why? Because these advectional rainfall winds can hit big mountains on the way and causes rainfall in the windward side of the mountain. Okay, so orographic rainfall is the right answer. Next question. Mango showers are commonly experienced in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Bihar. So technically, the answer is the southern part. We have two different options, A and B. So the right answer is Kerala and Karnataka. It has a mango shower. It is a local wind which moves during the March to April season, especially, and it causes ripening of mangoes, and in the name of that we have kept the name of it. Winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu is caused by western disturbance, northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon, jet stream divergence. Recently in current affairs also, you must have noticed in Tamil Nadu there is a flood going on, especially in winter time, which is winter time for India. Now it's already December and still they are experiencing this, like winter flood. That means they are highly affected by northeast monsoon because it is a retreating monsoon on the way towards the equator. So on the way Tamil Nadu comes and it causes flood. Northeast monsoon is the right answer. Okay, next, the Lu occurs during. It is also a local wind in India towards northwest part. Winter, late monsoon, pre-monsoon, summer, post-monsoon. Technically, Lu comes during April, March, April, May time, which is coming from going to Pakistan also, Rajasthan also, lower part of Punjab and western UP till Delhi. So pre-monsoon summer may these lows generally come. Okay, so pre-monsoon is the summer is the right answer. Next point. Next question. The largest amount of snowfall in India occurs in Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand. So all these states are Himalayan. All right, Himachal Pradesh, Himalayan, Ladakh, Himalayan, Jammu Kashmir, Himalayan, Uttarakhand, Himalayan. All these states and UTs experience snowfall great in a great way, but heavy rainfall occurs in Jammu Kashmir because we found the coldest place in India also in Jammu Kashmir province, that is Driest sector. Okay, next. Jet streams influence the Indian monsoon mainly by weakening the Bay of Bengal branch, shifting the ITCZ northward, steering tropical cyclones, controlling onset and withdrawal of monsoon. That is the last option is the right. Controlling onset and withdrawal of the monsoon, because this particular this jet streams, they generally blow at a maximum height within tropospheric layer. Nearby equator, they travel around somewhere 12 to 22 kilometers above from the ground, and in nearby polar regions, hardly 7 to 8 kilometers height from the ground. All right, so jet streams. Next, the driest place in India is Leh, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, or Phalodi. Technically, driest, these are all driest because Leh generally gets snowfall. Bikaner is a warm desert. Jaisalmer is also a warm desert. Phalodi is also a part of it, but Phalodi is the different and is a driest place. Which state receives rainfall mainly from western disturbance? Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Kerala, Odisha. So the right answer, as I also mentioned before, northern parts of India usually experience western disturbance rainfall in January time. After January, that is Punjab. So Punjab is the right answer. Okay, next, the nor'wester, Kal Baisakhi, are common in Western Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Gujarat. Technically, West Bengal, Bihar and Assam, nor'wester, Kal Baisakhi. Nor'wester starts from UP, but the point is Kal Baisakhi is also there. So we are talking about the wind who particularly locally travels in West Bengal from Bay of Bengal towards the land, towards the upper part of Sikkim till that border. So from there, where nor'wester comes, Kal Baisakh nor'wester joins together, and in Assam they are generally called Bardoi Shila. All right, the local winds. So technically, C is the right answer. Right, C should be the right answer because Kal Baisakh is related to West Bengal. So C is the right answer. Next question. The Thar Desert formation is mainly due to rain shadow effect of Aravallis, high temperature, lack of reverse soil salinity. Actually, we consider Aravali is probably the most appropriate answer, right? Although the other reasons are also associated with Thar Desert. Obviously, high temperature is there, lack of rivers are there because Luni River is there, which is non-perennial, including it doesn't have any discharge because it cannot flow till discharge point. Soil salinity, we all know there is salt lakes available in Rajasthan like Sambar Lake. All right. So technically, A is the first and more close answer, which is because of Aravali, because the winds of a monsoon, whatever enters in India, are diverted by Aravali ranges towards the east rather than west. Okay, monsoon break generally occurs due to weakening of jet streams, shift of monsoon trough towards the Himalayas, strengthening of Arabian Sea branch, excess cloud formation. Monsoon break means weakening of jet streams. It cannot be the answer. Shift of monsoon through towards the Himalayas might be strengthening of Arabian Sea branch and excess cloud formation. Technically, monsoon break happens during August, all right, August time. So generally, some reasons are associated like B and C. All right, so the right answer should be B, monsoon trough. Which one receives the first summer monsoon rainfall in India? Andaman Nicobar, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Now, there is one hack. Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra cannot be the answer because one comes in east, other comes in northern parts. All right, so technically monsoon comes from waters. So there could be two options we have, that is Andaman Nicobar Island and Kerala. Since location of Andaman Nicobar is less, lower as more close to the equator, and Kerala in mainland, so right answer should be A, Andaman Nicobar. If the option of Andaman Nicobar would not be there, then you shall click on Kerala. Okay, next. Most of the rainfall in northeast India occurs due to retreating monsoon, Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon, Arabian Sea branch, and local convection. So this question is absolutely easy. The retreating monsoon is during that winter time, so we don't bother about that rainfall. Hardly 50 centimeter rainfall occurs in northeast. Bay of Bengal branch southwest monsoon usually causes 200 to 250 centimeter around rainfall in northeast India. So this is the most appropriate answer. Arabian Sea branch doesn't matter because that wind does not enter in northeast India till. And local convection. Local convection is one of the yearly part. It's not belong to the highest rainfall, you can say. It is most of the rainfall, it says. So highest rainfall causes by southwest monsoon, especially Bay of Bengal. So the right answer is Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon. Hope these questions will help you to learn geography more easily in more effective way through MCQ for revision purpose. Hope you will get benefited of this video. Tomorrow we will again meet with next 20 questions to revise. Thank you so much.